Thank you for joining me today. I've been tagged by MAINiac Grammies Homestead to do a 40 question challenge to get to know me better. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and start reading off some of these questions. Thank you, first of all, thank you for asking me to do this. I really appreciate it. Number one is, do you like blue cheese? No, I do not. I don't like blue cheese. No. Number two, do you like Coke or Pepsi? Well, I don't drink carbonated drinks anymore, but when I did, I liked both. Coke, I liked Coke with peanuts in there. And then Pepsi, if I was gonna eat pizza or something like that, I would want Pepsi. Am I in a relationship? Yes, I'm married. I've been married for 25 years this year in October. We're high school sweethearts. Do I drink alcohol? I do not drink alcohol. Never have. Hot dogs or cheeseburgers? I have to say cheeseburgers, but if I eat hot dogs, I want them really dark, black, charcoal, cooked over campfire. No, I'll eat them like that. My favorite food. Oh, there's so many. Probably like out to eat food would be pizza. And like food I cook at home would probably be a breakfast meal like biscuits and gravy with fried potatoes, eggs and bacon. Yeah, breakfast. What do you drink in the morning? I drink coffee and usually a bottle of water. Number 8, can you do 100 push-ups? No. Never have, never will, never gonna try. Favorite season, number 9, his favorite season is fall. I love fall, when it starts getting cooler outside, it's not hot, it's cool and crisp. My favorite hobby. We have a lot of hobbies. We go camping, go off-roading. As you can see, we have the General Lee, so we'll be doing car shows. We have the slingshot. We like toys. We like to enjoy life and getting out and having fun because you never know what's going to happen. Okay. Number 11, do I have any tattoos? No. Never wanted any. Number 12, do you wear glasses? I used to wear glasses, but I had that LASIK eye surgery done back in 2003, so I haven't had to have them anymore. Do I have any phobias or fears? Yes. Afraid of heights, and I'm very afraid of being in front of people talking or anything like that. I get so nervous, I almost pass out. Nicknames. My mom calls me Macy. Stace. Some people calls me Stace. I like that. 15. My favorite candy. My favorite candy would have to be homemade fudge around Christmas time. All the different flavors and kinds. Do you believe in ghosts? Number 16. No, I don't believe in ghosts. Number 17, biggest downfall. I like to eat. Number 18, rain or snow. Rain or snow. I have to say both because I love it when it rains, especially in springtime, and everything smells so good. Everything smells fresh and clean. And the snow is so beautiful. I just think it's so pretty when it snows outside. It's so white, beautiful. Do I have any piercing is number 19. Just my ears. My ears are pierced. Number 20, how old am I? I am 43 years old. 21, do I like French fries or onion rings? I would have to say onion rings. I like onion rings the best. 22, do I have any kids? I have one. I have a son. He's 24 years old. He's so sweet. Number 23, favorite color. I would have to say pink. I like pink a lot. 24, can you sing? I love to sing, but I don't think I'm very good at it. But I do, I love it. 25, can you whistle? No. I thought I could, but I don't guess I can. Number 26, where was I born? I was born in Louisville, Kentucky. General Hospital. I always liked watching General Hospital on TV, so I would tell everybody I was born in General Hospital. Number 27, do you have any siblings? I do. I have a full brother, and then I have some step brothers and sisters, and I have a sister. 28, can you cook? I think I can cook. I have a cooking channel, but I like my food. My hubby likes my food, and I have a lot of people say they like my food. I hope they really do. But I think it's the only thing I'm really good at was cooking. Number 29, can you swim? Yes, my mom taught me how to swim when I was a little girl, and I'm so glad she did because I love swimming. Number 30, am I religious? Yes. Got saved when I was 15 years old. 31, do I like showers or baths? I like to take a bath. I like to soak in a hot bathtub with bubbles. Oh yeah. 32, city or nature? Definitely nature. I love being outside, out in the country. We live about 20 miles from the nearest town. We have a little bitty town over by us, but not very big, but 20 miles from the nearest town. So I love nature. I love being out. 33, are you a good friend? I think I am. I hope I am anyways. I want to be. 34, have I had any broken bones? I broke my toe one time. My son was little, he was a little baby, and I was dancing to Barney. Barney was on TV, and I hit the side of the futon, the metal couch thing, and my toe hit it, and it bent it back, and it broke my toe. It hurts so bad. 35, how many TVs do you own? Oh my goodness. In the house, we have 5. In the camper, we have 3. I like TV. I like it to be on all the time. I don't like quiet. I like having the TV going. 36, worst pain ever. Physical pain would be, probably I had to have a C-section. That hurt really bad. Yeah. Emotional pain would probably be when I lost my little brother in a car wreck. He was 18 years old. 37, do you like to dance? Sorry. 37, do you like to dance? Yes, I like to dance. I've always loved to dance. 38, do you like camping or fishing? I like both, but mostly camping. I haven't been fishing in a long time, but I always did like it. It's nothing like when you cast that pole out or reel out there and the line and catch something and pull it in. Oh, yeah. 39, do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. 40, 39. Are you weird? Yeah, I'm weird. I'm really weird. 40. Number 40 is the pick six people to tag. Okay. Anybody can do this. I'm going to leave it open. You can do it, but I am going to name 6 people, and they're more than welcome to do this. If they don't want to, it's fine. Number 1 is Floridia's Family. Number 2 is Kimmy's Kitchen. Number 3, Lady Likeables. Number 4, Little Fish in the Kitchen. Number 5, Southern Country Living. And number 6, Bone Daddy 2. Y'all can feel free to do this if you want to. I really appreciate it. Thank you, MAINiac Grammy, for asking me to do this. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a safe and happy Thanksgiving. It's almost here.